I know this is going to sound like a joke, or like I'm crazy, but if you are a man and you live in a vehicle and you're traveling around and you're living a nomadic lifestyle where you have to go in and out of Paneras and libraries and Planet Fitnesses and rest stops and grocery stores and all sorts of stuff, and you're interacting with people on a daily basis and you're around people a lot for water, internet, bathroom, things like that, I highly recommend having a mustache. The reason I say this is because having a mustache, in order to have a mustache, you have to consciously put effort into shaving your face every day so that you don't have a beard and instead you have a mustache. And what that signifies to people is that you're in a somewhat stable living situation. For me personally, there are days where I get right out of bed and I go into a Panera or a library or something or a Planet Fitness and my hair looks terrible. And if I had a beard, which I have in the past, I mean, I look pretty rough. And if someone sees me get in and out of my car, I would think it would not be a comforting sight. It would make you be a little worried to be around this person because you don't know if they are broke and, you know, in a really bad situation. There's just so many questions that come with, you know, this person lives in their vehicle. Why? And anything you can do to make people feel more comfortable around you, you really should do, especially something so easy. If you just carry an electric razor with you and every day you wake up and you just shave your face so you have a mustache, it will signify to people that you are a normal person, basically. You put effort into how you look, and you're in a stable living situation. Plus, people, I think, kind of view mustaches as a little goofy or funny, and like, when they see you and you have a mustache, I just think it puts a lot of the wondering to rest that people might have if they realize that you are living out of a car and you're in a Panera all day going to the bathroom and drinking water and coffee, and you go into the Planet Fitness multiple days in a row late at night to go to the bathroom. I really cannot recommend enough either just completely shaving your face every day or having a mustache. I think it will do a lot of good for you in ways that you really wouldn't think about. But for me, a mustache is just the perfect way of looking like I'm put together, and yeah, I highly recommend it. And you can just be like the goofy guy who has a mustache and lives in a van.